And this is a first. Cap comes here all the time. He kind of backed down one of the ramps, as you can tell here, that's closed. And now he's got himself stuck, which is interesting, especially with a front-wheel drive vehicle like this. We don't see that one a whole lot, but Cap's up here trying to knock basically the seaweed or seagrass or whatever we have here on the ramp out from underneath his tire so he can try and get a little traction. But we see Cap here all the time. I just thought it was interesting. This is one of the first times I've ever actually seen him get stuck, and it's got to do with the ramp, I believe. The ramp's just so chewed up where the trailer is down there, he's kind of got it wedged. And it'll be interesting to see how he pulls this one out. So he's going to try and do the old technique and just powering his way through it, it looks like. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton. And here we go, Cap's going to give it a shot. He's giving her all she's got, but he's not getting anywhere right this second. There we go. He ripped the Band-Aid off, and off he goes. And oh, one of our favorites, the old single jet ski trailer, making its way back down to Boynton. And yes, we are going to get us a little Boynton wobble action as our guy tries to back this thing down. No, that's the wrong way, bro. No, bro, you're going the wrong way. You're going to have to reset this one up. He's going to come with the hard wobble. And doesn't like the way it looks, and he's going to have to reset it up. Got a good angle this time. Maybe our guy will prove me wrong. Nope. Here we go. We're the wrong way again, and the Boynton wobble action starts again. Up. Let's not hit the orange barricade as we try to do this. It's going to be a close call. Oh, but he turns the wheel the wrong way again. He's really going to get it sideways. He's not going to be able to fix that one without pulling forward. And the barrier's just in his way. Looks good this time, though. He's got a good angle here. And no, he loses it at the last second. And let's see if he can hold this line. If he can hold this line, he's going to get it in. And there we go. We've got a little bit of a water touchdown. And our guy has backed it in. But the extreme Boynton wobble in action to try and get this thing back down the ramp. Now the real question is, can he get it off the trailer? I mean, this is only half the battle, right? Here we go, like every true ramp member should, going live on Facebook to show off that you were able to back the jet ski down. Now let's see him get this thing off this trailer. What is he doing now? Carefully approaches. And it appears he's grabbed something to try and use his lines as he tries to remove the ski from the trailer. Kind of pushing it off the wrong way, though. He's pushing it across the trailer, which means he's going to have to drag it back across the trailer to get it over to the dock. Oh, hang on, bro. He's struggling to get the line on there. But as mentioned, he's pushed it across the trailer, so now he's going to have to drag it directly across the trailer back over to try and get it onto the ramp. Or the dock, excuse me. Somebody will correct me in the comments. And there we go. Oh, did he fall in? No. It looked close. I saw the splash, and I thought our guy went down. But he's got it over to the other side of the trailer, and he should be good to go then. And here we go, the old dock blocker in action. Not the typical spot, though. These guys were actually coming in the channel, heading toward the ramp, and just got drifted outside the channel, and now they're stuck on the side. So we've got two people in the water, one pulling, one on the side kind of pushing. But with this many people on the boat, one of the easiest things they could do is just get people off. If they would get people off, this boat would probably gain a couple more inches of ride height and probably be okay. And here we go, somebody else into the water to help push. Can't tell if these motors are on, though. I definitely wouldn't want to be pushing from right there if they are. But really only one guy's pushing. The guy pulling's not doing much. Definitely a whole lot easier to push from the stern than it is to try and pull from the bow. There we go. We got the boys in the back now. Girls in the bow gonna cheer them on. Let's see if they can get this thing out of here. And here we go, we got some movement. Boat in action. And this crew will get this one pushed out of here and head on. The all too common scene here at Boynton where somebody's had a little bit too much fun out at Beer Can Island, and the boys are just giving them a hand. And speaking of having too much fun at Beer Can Island, it's not just the boys who do it. Sometimes the ladies have a little too much fun out there as well. And our girl, as you can tell here, has had a little bit too much fun out there at the island as well. She's just going to take a little nap while her dude tries to bring the boat in. So after a few minutes of floating here, our crew about looks ready to try and put this thing on the dock. And our girl's going to try and give a little bit of an assist. But I'm not sure if she's up for it. And Cap's making his approach. Our girl decides just to take a seat on the deck. But Cap should be good and get him out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.